Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying problems only humans can solve: judgment, complex empathy, ambiguous goals. Start now by listing 3 tasks you own that require nuanced interpretation or social context. Once done, map skills to measurable outputs, impact, speed, cost. Make sure to pick one microproject you can lead in 2-6 weeks, then prototype manually. This shows unique value and creates data AI can't replicate. Do this first. It sets priorities and forces practical differentiation. Next, build complementary skills around domain judgment and orchestration. You must become an integrator. Learn to combine models, human experts, and ethical constraints into workflows. Once comfortable, create repeatable templates, checklists, and decision rules that only you or your team can apply. Make sure to instrument outcomes with simple metrics: quality, escalation rate, time to resolution. Then teach others. Scale influence, not tasks. Document decisions so knowledge stays tied to you. This makes your role about. Finally, lock in visibility and negotiable authority. You must convert demonstrated impact into formal responsibilities, budgets, and decision rights. Once your prototype and templates show results, request a role change or charter to own the process end-to-end, including hiring and budget control. Make sure to negotiate measurable deliverables and protection clauses for proprietary methods. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by reverting to manual control, auditing data, and communicating transparently to rebuild trust quickly. This completes the shift from replaceable doer to indispensable leader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.